Welcome back to my channel. My name is Charmaine, and as you can see, I have a new background up. We are going for something bold today. So the look I'm going for is kind of, I guess, based off or inspired by Game of Thrones. So if you haven't seen Game of Thrones, you should go watch. I started watching Game of Thrones before their last season, so I binge watched everything right before they put up their last season, which I believe was the 8th season. And then I loved it, so I ended up buying all the DVDs, and now each year at the end of the year I watch Game of Thrones all over again with my brother. So this is a Game of Thrones themed look, so we are going bold. So I have the platinum hair on that I had from the Amazon wig haul, I think a month or two ago. This is the first time I've worn the hair. It does tangle and shed a lot. But I definitely wanted to use this hair for this Game of Thrones theme look because this is the closest color that I could get for Daenerys. And again, if you watch, you know who Daenerys is. So we're gonna go ahead and get into this look. I am going to be using, my arm is itching, okay. I'm gonna be using this Revolution, what is this? Forever Flawless Ice Palette. So this is basically blue. I'm not gonna tell you which colors I'm using right now. You'll see as I'm using them. And I know I'm definitely gonna use black because I think that the look I'm going to have is, everything is basically going to match with the background, what I'm wearing. And what I'm kind of thinking of is incorporating blue and black, because the black, just because you have the, what is it? Now I can't remember. The Night Watch, you know, Jon Snow, he goes and he's on that with the wall. They're wearing all black. And then you have the White Walkers, and they have like the blue, the ice blue eyes. That's why I'm thinking blue and black and maybe like some white to throw in there. I don't know. We'll see how it comes out. I'm hoping, fingers crossed, that this comes out how I'm thinking of it in my head, so that way I can post it and share it with you guys. But we're gonna go ahead and get started with the look. Okay, so first I'm going to be taking this color here, and this is called Climate. And I'm just going to kind of put that here as my transition color. And it's basically blending in with the setting powder that I have on my eyes already, which is fine. I don't need it to be a pigmented color. I just needed something there before I start going in. And I'm not going to do a cut crease or anything like that. I'm basically just going to try to carefully put these eyeshadow colors on, so that way you'll see at the end why I want to be as careful as possible. So, all right, I want to do the, I don't know if I want to go with Glacier or Cool. I haven't actually even swatched these colors. This is my first time using this palette. So I got this off of Beautybay, and you will see the Beautybay haul before you see this go up. I'm pretty sure you will. You'll see the Beautybay haul, but I got this from Beautybay with a few other palettes, and so I haven't swatched anything. I'm thinking I'm gonna either use this color here, which is called Glacier, or this color here, which is called Cool. And we'll test it out like I usually do. So this is Glacier and this is Cool. So I think we're gonna go with Glacier because it's much more bright and glittery, and then we'll see how it goes on, hopefully. Okay, so this is just with the brush, and then I'm gonna try with adding some spray, see if that picks it up. Okay, the spray helped. If not, I was gonna use my finger. So I don't want to take this all the way, and I am gonna come back with this color once I get my other colors on my lid. Just right now, I kind of want to just get this color on right there. try with my pinky, because that's a small finger. Okay. All right, so now let's go in with the color. It's called H2O, and it's this color here. And I'm staying below my crease. This is like a blue-gray. Okay. I need this to be sharp, so I do have the tape on. And then we're going to go into, I think I should have put on Iceberg. So Iceberg is this blue here at the top. I don't know why. Okay, I think I'm gonna put Iceberg over this. Iceberg is kind of like my sweater. In the pan, it looks like my sweater, but over this H2O color, which is the blue-gray. Obviously, it's toned down now. Okay. And then at the end, when we go back in with the glacier color on the inner, we'll start to make sure that those transition better. And then I'm going to go into, so just as a reminder, I used glacier for the inner corner, inner of my lid, and then I had put H2O, but I changed it and then went over that with Iceberg to get that color. Now I'm going to go into Arctic, which is this deep blue here. This actually looks like it has like a little bit of shimmer to it. And it doesn't look as deep as it does in the pan on my eye. And I am taking that way out here. I want it to be as deep as it. Okay, let me see if this will use my finger. Okay. I want it to be deep like it is in the pan. So I might have to build this color up. But I am taking it forward a little bit because I do want to put black here as well. And I'm trying to pat it on because I want it to deepen up so that you see the change in the blues or the transitions in the blues. Okay, we're gonna take the Iceberg color that was on the middle part, and we're going to start patting that to help those kind of blend in together. And then we need to get the Iceberg color too. And kind of just softly brushing that out like this. So I start by patting it, and then I just kind of start brushing it out. Okay, and the Iceberg is supposed to give us that snow because they kept saying like winter is coming. So it's supposed to give us like that ice cold feel here, winter creeping in. Okay. iceberg is kind of going into. It has like, it does have some fallout. It has like little flakes it's leaving. If you've watched Game of Thrones, like comment down below who your favorite character is. My favorite character is actually Arya. I just like seeing her growth, and especially like with the end and all that. I'm not going to say any spoilers, but Arya is definitely my favorite character. Okay, so this is what I have for the eyes. Now I want to do add the black in, and so I'm going to do that by using a black eyeliner. So 1 second. Okay, so I'm going to be using this Essence Super Last eyeliner that's waterproof, and we're going to, hopefully I don't mess up because I need to be like precise with this. So basically the thought is I want to take this black and take it all the way back here, and then of course I'm going to do my eyeliner and they're going to connect there. So I'm going to do that off camera so that I can take my time with it, and then I will come right back. Okay, so I'm back. I did the liner and then I put some lashes on. Before I go off and do my face, just wanted to come back and just remember that I used this Super Last Essence waterproof liner, and I basically took the liner and lined over the top, and that's why I wanted to be precise about where I was putting the eyeshadow so that I didn't go too far into my crease. So I basically put the liner there, and then I still did my eyeliner here at the bottom, and I made sure that they connected at this point or on both sides. So that is what I was going for. Let me know what you think. I'm going to go ahead, do my face, come back, and then we'll finish the eyes and my lips. Alright, I am back. I'm looking good and feeling even better. So I did my face. I already put my lips on. So I used this Jordana lip liner in Cocoa. Over top, I put this lip paint, which is Minx. And who is this by? It says it's smudge proof. I can't tell who it's by, but it looks like that. It was really sticky, so I went over top with this Pretty Vulgar, and this is the color My Lips Are Sealed. I feel like I got these in a boxy charm or something like that. This I feel like I got from the beauty supply, but I've had it for a while, so that's what I did for my lips. And for my eyes, now I haven't done my under eye or my inner corner highlight, so I don't want my under eye to be too blue, so I'm going to take the H2O color that I originally had put on my lid but went over top of it. I'm actually going to take that color and put that on my lower lash line because that was more of a gray blue. Okay. When I want to just intensify it and not like smudge it in there, I just kind of pack it on along the line or along my lower lash line, just like that. And I'll take a brush that I've used for like to clean up before, just to make sure that it's going towards my eyeliner line there and not just kind of all over the place. So I'm just kind of cleaning that up there. This is a brush I use to kind of clean up. This brush is old. It says BS Mall. I'm pretty sure I got this off of Amazon. And for inner corner highlight, I'm going to take the color Cool, which was the other lighter color here that I didn't use, and put that on my inner corner. But I want to take over top of that and see if this does anything. So this is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder, and this doesn't have a color on the back, but it's like a bluish purple. I don't think you can see like, but it looks like a bluish purple. So I'm gonna take this and just gonna tap it on top, see if I can add that little bluish purple to my inner corner. Alright, so this is the look. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment down below who your favorite Game of Thrones character is. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe before you go. Thank you for watching.